that is a wrap on today's work day. Thank God, because I've been really looking forward to talking to you. So here's what's going on. Pally and I went to this place called Pontas das Canas last week, and we made this really nice Instagram reel. And we started thinking about it, and we haven't actually shown you Pontas das Canas yet. Now, this beach is really beautiful. It has calm water, but the best time of day to visit it is probably in the afternoon, the evening time, whenever there's the sunset, because of the way the light comes down and hits the water and just the amazing backdrop it gives. So we're gonna head over there right now. It's about 5 p.m. and hopefully catch an amazing sunset that will be worthy of this entire vlog. Lana's going?
No, she's not.
Lana's going?
No, stay.
Oh, Lana's not going. Bye, Lana. Have fun. We're going to Pontas das Canas from the Airbnb in Lagoinha, which we've shown in previous videos. And the best thing about that Airbnb is seriously the location and the access to the beaches. So we only have about a 16-minute walk from that Airbnb, and we'll be there in no time. Wow, look at this. Another one of those glass fences like we saw in show today.
I guess I don't know anything about house fashion.
Just so different. I've never seen glass fences.
Yeah. But I like this one.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because
I like the palm trees. We're walking and we came across the dive shop called Perla Negra, and outside of the building they have this poster. So mainly I want to point out this pirate ship because we're going to see that in Pontas das Canas. But these are all the excursions they have. So like a pirate ship, you can go visit a fort, go visit the Isla do Frances like we did, and yeah.
And here is where our Airbnb is at.
Yeah, right here in Lagoinha.
And now we're going to this beach, Ponta das Canas.
Yeah, not very far.
No.
Oh look, right there's the sign for Puntas das Canas to the left, and then Lagoinha Beach to the right. So they really are like super close together, no? There are a few waves here, but this beach is really calm. The water's really shallow. The worst thing about being here at this time is just that the sun is in the horizon, like facing into the horizon of the ocean. So it is harder to capture it all on video, but it makes for some amazing sunset shots. All along there are boats. Really nice. And look how all the people are standing up also. It's really shallow water. Wow, I love the background, like the mountain in the back.
It's so pretty, but I prefer that one.
What?
The green one.
What do you mean green? That is green. The main entrance of the beach is typically crowded, and we're gonna walk just a little bit further down the shore and show you some awesome spots that we took some photos for Instagram for, and then we're also gonna just lay our stuff down over there because it is a lot more tranquilo with less people and everything. So head down that way. Also, as you walk down further, there's a lot of boats. So they have like the paddle boarding where you can stand up and just paddle it yourself, kayaks, banana boats that take you out on jet skis, what have you. So if you're into any type of just water activity that includes a boat, they definitely got you here. Look behind you. It's
so beautiful.
That's the mountain that we had in our background to take photos for Instagram. Right there, that's literally where we took it. Such a good spot. And look, there's even more boats here now than before. Hopefully you can see behind me, there's just way less people over here, which gives it a more natural vibe. So if just peace, less sound, and trying to get like that secluded Instagram photo or just picturesque photos your thing, then definitely come down to this side of the beach, and they have that right here waiting for you. You want to get in the water?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Who's getting in first?
I guess I can go. It's always you first, so it's my turn.
Okay, I guess Pally goes first. absolutely beautiful out here, as you just saw from the drone. And I believe you even saw that pirate ship I was talking about, and that's the excursion that you can take through the Perla Negra. We haven't done it, but we've seen plenty of those boats out here. All right, it's that time, trying to get the perfect sunset Instagram photo and the most spectacular views maybe in the entire northern part of this island. The clouds are in front of the sun, and it just brings out the perfect color, and it comes down here onto the water. It's so pretty, isn't it?
It is. We need to take some photos right now.
All right, let's get it. I don't think we were able to capture the full range of colors provided by the sunset, because it was like as soon as we started to take photos ourselves, then the clouds went totally in front of the sun and just really squashed all the colors out. But we're still being provided with really nice scenery right here. Well, folks, I really hope that you've enjoyed Puntas das Canas as much as we've been enjoying it. And if you want to see more beaches, more sunsets, and really anything that involves the tropical type of lifestyle, then consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you next adventure.